Hello everyone, welcome to the Looker Studio tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we are going to dive into the world of Looker Studio, understand its purpose and get familiar with the key features. So, whether you are new to data analysis or getting started with Looker, this video series will help you understand this platform with ease. So, what is Looker Studio? A Looker Studio is a powerful data exploration and visualization tool that empowers you to analyze and interpret your data in meaningful ways. It's designed to provide a user-friendly interface that allows you to create interactive dashboards, build custom reports, and gain insight from your data without the need of complex coding or technical expertise. Now let's talk about its key features. Data exploration. Looker Studio enables you to explore your data from different angles, helping you uncover the hidden trends, patterns, and insights in your data. Visualization. Create stunning data visualizations such as charts, tables, etc. to represent your data in different ways, enable to understand them. Interactive dashboard. Build interactive dashboards that consolidate multiple visualizations and data points, providing a comprehensive overview over your data. Collaboration. Share your findings with your colleagues on looks and dashboards. That means facilitating on better decision making across your organization. Customization. Customize your data models, fields, and visualization to meet your specific business needs, ensuring the most relevant insights. And lastly, data modeling. Use LookML, that is Looker's modeling language, to define relationships, calculations, and transformations within your data. So, why do you need to use Looker Studio? Looker Studio is not just another tool for data visualization. Its purpose goes beyond creating pretty charts. It's about transforming raw data into actionable insights. With Looker Studio, you can gain insight, visualize complex data in an understandable way, enabling stakeholders to make data-driven decisions confidently. Save time. Replace repetitive manual analysis tasks with automated reports and visualizations. Empower collaboration. It fosters a culture of data-driven decision-making by sharing insights with every team of each department. And lastly, stay agile. Adapt quickly to changing business needs by having an adaptable and flexible platform. So, in conclusion, in this video we have highlighted Looker Studio, its purpose as a data exploration and visualization tool. We have touched upon its features and explained why it's an invaluable asset for any organization that is aiming to have a data-driven decision-making approach. So, as we progress through this series, we will dive deep into the Looker Studio's functionalities, helping you become a proficient user. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. In our next tutorial, we will guide you through the process of getting a Looker Studio account and accessing Looker Studio. See you there.